Hey guys, this is Salan from Salan's Cooking. Today I'm making a recipe of the India's most consumed style of cooking. Yes, today I'm making Dhaba Style Paneer Masala. Obviously, with a twist of Salan. Let's get started. Let's chop up some veggies now. Let's finely chop some onions, but also let's dice some onions. Some diced capsicum. Cut the tomatoes and just grate them. Grate the pulp inside and you can just discard the skin. Very easy, very handy method. Let's cut some paneer and soak them in some hot water. Now let's take a frying pan with flame on high. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now let's add our diced onions, not the chopped onions. Just give a little stir and then immediately add your diced capsicum. We are just lightly sauteing them for a couple of minutes. Keep on stirring for 2 to 3 minutes and then just transfer them out and keep them aside. Now in the same pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and put the pan on medium to low heat. Now add these spices. You can pause the video here. Add all of these spices together. Give them a stir for like 2 to 3 minutes such that the oil gets all the flavor absorbed like that, and then add your finely chopped onion. Now we will cook these onions for a long time. The onions will slowly start browning like this. And at this point you can add some fresh ginger garlic paste. Add this and cook for some more time until it turns like this. Now it's time to add our spices. I'm adding salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder here. I'm going to add some garam masala and some kitchen king masala. This is optional. I'm also adding some chili flakes. You can skip that as well. Now mix everything together and add some besan. And after you add the besan, add 1/4 cup of warm water. Now you can add the grated tomato paste. See what I meant by handy here? Now just cook everything until all the water evaporates, and then you can add your diced veggies. Now add 1 more cup of warm water and cook the entire thing again until it thickens. Like this. Now it's time to add the soaked paneer. See how soft the paneer has become. It's almost done, guys. Now add a handful of roasted kasuri methi and just in between your palms, you can make it into powder like that. Now mix everything together and it's time to plate it. Look how good that is looking. It tastes amazing. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video, like, comment down, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys very soon.